This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a C-wire to your furnace. First, and most importantly, always prioritize safety. Before touching any wires, go to your home's main electrical panel and completely turn off the power to your furnace. This crucial step ensures there is absolutely no electricity flowing through the system, protecting you from potential hazards. Double-check that the power is off before moving forward with the next steps. Now that the power is safely off, let's find where the C-wire connects on your furnace. The C-terminal, or common wire, is essential because it provides continuous 24-volt power to your smart thermostat. Look closely at your furnace's control board for a terminal clearly labeled with the letter C. If you cannot find a dedicated C-terminal, sometimes a spare terminal on the transformer itself can serve the same purpose. Consult your furnace manual if unsure. With the C-terminal identified, it's time to make the connection. Take your new C-wire and carefully strip about 1/4 inch of insulation from one end. This exposes the copper wire for a good connection. Now, securely attach this stripped end to the C-terminal on your furnace's control board. Ensure it is firmly in place and won't easily pull out. Then, carefully route the other end of this C-wire all the way to your thermostat's location. You're almost done. At your thermostat's location, connect the other end of the C-wire to the C-terminal on its base plate. Once connected, carefully reattach your thermostat to its base, making sure it clicks securely into place. Finally, return to your electrical panel and restore power to your furnace. Now, test your thermostat to ensure it's receiving continuous power and functioning correctly. Enjoy the enhanced features of your smart thermostat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.